like a dirty fish tank. What's up guys, welcome back to Horsepower and Pizza. Today I am at Brothers Detailing. This is my homie Corey.
What's up?
This is his S4. I'm gonna drive this in a video at some point. Today, the focus is restoring these headlights from my E36. The car is about 25 years old at this point. I don't know if these are original to the car or not, but they are pretty oxidized and beat up.
So gonna clay these down. We're gonna clean them up, get all the mildew, mold off them, whatever it may be, dust. And then we're going to clay bar them, clean them up all nice, and then we're gonna polish them up. Try and skip the wet sanding part and get them all cleaned up and see how they turn out.
Is that your problem solver?
That is the problem solver. So we're going to be using a Torq polisher. We're going to use it's called a V36 cutting compound on a heavy cutting polish pad. And then once we're done with that, we're going to finish it off with a final polish. Try and clean these all up with a light polishing pad and see how they turn out. We've done quite a few of these here before and this always works out pretty well. A little bit better alternative than doing the wet sanding method. Saves you a little more time too.
With these headlights, we're going for good, not great, because they're on a project car that I literally only paid $350 for. So if I get a little bit better visibility out of them, we'll call that a win.
So the first step we're gonna do is just kind of use a quick detailer on them. We already sprayed some on. And this is basically just gonna try and get all the residuals that we can get off without doing the polishing compound. When you get into polishing, if your surface isn't clean, you can end up scratching it a little more or just rubbing the stuff in. So we just want to clean them up as best as we can, and then we're going to use a clay bar over top of it, take off as much as we can again before we really get into the polishing aspect of it. Make sure we got a nice clean surface.
So here's roughly what we started with. And here's where he's got it so far. You can actually see the headlights in there. Like I said, good, not great. We're getting there though. For 25 years old, they're cleaning up a lot nicer than I expected them to, Corey.
Yeah, no, they're cleaning up pretty good. Gotta try and get them that extra shine though.
Look at that. Corey cleaned these up real nice, threw a little bit of ceramic coat on there too. And what'd you say? Not a lot of people can say that.
No one probably. Ceramic coated E36 headlights. That's a Brother Detailing special.
You heard it here first.
So there's our good, not great finished product without doing the wet sanding. Just to kind of get these bad boys cleaned up a little more. Like I said, we cleaned them up, clayed them, and then we did 3 polishing compounds on it, gave it a good final polish, and then ceramic coated them. So that way they'll stay like this for quite some time and won't get all the oxidization back. Bailey can see sideways as he's slamming this thing around corners.
That's what we hope to do. I don't know, we'll see. We're having issues sourcing engine parts currently. Give it time.
You'll be able to see the deer in the field now.
If you're in the Lancaster, Pennsylvania area and you need any detailing advice or services or whatever, shoot Corey a message at Brothers Detailing. I'll put his Instagram right here. Hit Corey up. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to support, head over to horsepowerandpizza.com. Give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Instagram, social media, everything else is linked down below. Peace out and build it for you.